Comedy Kitchen with Chef Cell was recorded on a cell phone in front of a fake audience. What?
Today, gluten-free pumpkin pie cake? And let it go until it's pale and quite unappetizing looking. Hey guys, Chef Cell right here. I always trick you. That's right, Comedy Kitchen with Chef Cell, back again. We're gonna keep coming back until we get it right. I just wanted to say thank you to all you people that have subscribed, and get your friends and family in on this. 100,000 subscribers. Today, gluten-free pumpkin pie cake? Very simple, very easy, and it's all gluten-free for vous. So let's get started. Let's make the stuff. You got the wet, you got the dry, you mix up that roll. Keep that in. I'm in that kind of mood. Let's get baking. All right, Chef Cell, remember, you asked for it. I have my stand mixer. Into this stand mixer that I'm gonna put on slow. Slow, like a 2 or a 3. That's good. Whisk attachment, 3 large eggs, one at a time. Break them up. Oh, that was 2, that's okay. That was a myth anyway, that one at a time thing, right? Yeah, it's a myth.
It's an urban myth anyway.
All right, move it up. Medium. Bring it down to a little bit of a low. And we're gonna add this 200 grams or 1 cup of just regular sugar. And now just bring it up to high in increments. If you don't know what that means, write in the comments. I will delete you from my sub list. Just kidding, just kidding. We love you all. And let it go until it's pale and quite unappetizing looking. I would say that's pretty pale. And over here, I'm going to add some evaporated milk. It's 1 can. About 12 ounces or 340 grams. I mix that with 425 grams or 15 ounces or 1 can of pumpkin puree. Sorry. Keep it slow. Try to limit the splashing. And we'll bring it back up. It's kind of wet, so be careful there, unless you have a cooking poncho. And we'll bring it back down. Add some pumpkin spice. You can make this cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Half a teaspoon apiece. Double, triple it, whatever you want to do. Over here, we're just almost starting fall, autumn, whatever, so I made a bunch of it. And I'm going with 2 teaspoons of this spice here. It's strong, so be careful. Like I said, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves. And I'm going to add a little salt. Pinch is good. And mix it up. Tone it down, kiddies. Don't get all excited. I'm going to take care of this regalia here. I'm going to get a 13x9 baking dish and pan it. I'm going to pour this in it, and I'll show you that. And this is me showing you that. And we'll move this aside. Start with the other stuff, the dry. And now for the gluten-free topping we're going to make together. We have 200 grams or 1 2/3 cups of superfine white rice flour, 100 grams or 1 cup of tapioca starch, and then we have 50 grams or 1/3 of a cup plus 1 tablespoon of sorghum flour, teaspoon of xanthan gum, teaspoon of ground flaxseed, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I threw you off there, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 100 grams or a half a cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to mix this around. I'm going to sprinkle it over the top of that pudding type pumpkin-y thing we made. And then I'm going to drizzle 225 grams or 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter melted. And then we're going to bake it. We're going to bake it till it's done. If you're using a regular cake mix or cake ingredients that has gluten, you want to go about 50 to 60 minutes at 350 until it's golden brown. We have to be careful because we're using gluten-free. And if you've been following me, which I hope you have been, please subscribe and like. You know that somewhere along the line we have to reduce it to 325 from that 350. Because gluten-free, it just likes to bake faster. You know why? It can't wait to get into your mouth. Just like a dentist.
It's urban myth anyway.
All right. So let me mix this around and I'll show you how to pour it over and drizzle the butter, and then we're gonna bake it. Let's start checking it at 35 minutes with the freaking toothpick. And then, you know, if it's getting too cooked around the edges, boom, 325 until the toothpick comes in and out. Yeah, I whisk it, that's all, see? Now I'm gonna get a very large spoon to do the sprinkle. And sprinkle time. Try to get it in all the nooks and crannies. And just let it fall where it may. I don't know, let it go, man. See, I like making the crazy stuff. And then you can kind of just jostle it. Ooh, look at the cracks, I like that. All right, and drizzle the butter. Make sure you get good coverage, folks. And another afterthought by Chef Sal. Stop it. A little bit more spicy here, so I'm just gonna, why not, right? Try to get one in every slice, Stills. Now that's a good addition, right? All right. I have my not patented, non-rimmed cookie sheet, because pretty much all bakers use this. And that silicone mat on there. All ready to bake at 350, stop at about 35, 40 minutes. Make sure it's not burning on the outside. If it is a little bit, or just a little bit brown, make it to 325. Toothpick, clean, done. That's all I could get out at the end. Here we go. Right out of the oven, folks. Ooh, that's hot. Look at this. Gluten-free pumpkin pie cake, are you kidding me? Look how that mixture, that powder on the top, turned to like a light crumb, and we got the pudding underneath too. Kind of a pudding, you know? Well, it's pumpkin pie filling. Unbelievable. Give this a try. This is really good stuff. It's a new thing for Thanksgiving too, and you got a couple of months to screw it up before you get it right. I am Chef Sal. This is Comedy Kitchen with Chef Sal. Please like. I will see you next time.